How to create image with transparent background in Photoshop. This Android image has a black background. I do not want this background to show in my video, and so I will show you how to use Photoshop to remove this background and replace with a transparent one. Let's go. Create a copy of the photo. This is the picture that will be edited in Photoshop. Open the picture with Photoshop. Now the picture is locked. To make it editable, double click the layer. You can click OK to accept the name or change it if you wish. Click on Quick Selection tool. Set the size to 30 or any appropriate size. Click and drag to select the Android robot. To deselect unwanted areas, press the Alt or alternate key when clicking and dragging. Save the selection by clicking on Select, then Save Selection. Give the selection a name and click OK. Click on Select again, then click Inverse. This selects all of the black background except the Android robot. Click the Eraser tool and set the size to 30 or any size that is convenient for you. Click and drag on the whole image as shown. It will delete the black background which is selected and leave the unselected Android robot. Now deselect the whole selection by clicking Select, then Deselect. Next, click on File, Export, Export As. In the window that shows, ensure the format is set to PNG and the box next to transparency is checked. Click Export. Select a safe location and click Save. The image now has a transparent background. You can now use it for your video picture editing work. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.